Hello, and for this video we are going to look at really part two of a process that we've started, creating an agenda and putting it into a module in Canvas. And so in the first video we looked at creating the agenda as a Google Doc and the way that you might do that. Part two, we're going to look at organizing the agenda. So before we go ahead and actually put it into a module, we're going to look at how we might be able to organize our Google Docs so that we can access it easier whenever we need to take a look at it again. So here we have the bare bones example of the agenda that I created to embed inside of the module for Canvas. And what I want to do with this agenda that I've created is I just want to organize it into a folder where I can find it easy and have things to be able to be located in a more efficient way. And again, lots of ways to do that, but the way that I would choose to do that, if you go up here and go ahead and click on the file folder icon here, what's going to happen is your drive is going to show up. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to move this item, and now you're going to want to put it in your drive. And as you can see, I have subfolders in my drive. I've got one for the 2016-2017 school year, so I'm going to click on that particular folder. And what I want to do is I want to put my agenda somewhere in this folder. I don't have a place for agendas yet, so I'm going to go ahead and create that. So I'm going to click on New Folder, and it's going to create another subfolder in my 2016-2017 folders. So I type in Agendas, hit check, and now I'm inside of that folder in the Agendas. So I can move it here, and so what it's done is it's taken this particular document and put it inside of that folder. So if I were to go into my drive, I'm in my drive right here. You can see these are my main folders that I have set up inside of my drive. So I could click on 2016-2017, and again I'll see my subfolders that I have inside of there. There's Agendas. I double click on the Agendas file, and there I can find my agenda that I've created for that day. Keep in mind, if you create one agenda for the week and just add to it, you're going to have about 40 of these in a file. If you create one for each day, you're going to have about 180 if you do one for each school day. So you may also want to have subfolders in your agenda, doing it by month or by week so that you don't get too many files inside of one subfolder.